Hello RV world. It's raining outside today in New Jersey, and I'm going to install, in the nice dry inside the camper, I'm going to install some cup holders into our Dream Dinette. And the table, our coach did not come with cup holders, so I saw some on Amazon, and I'm going to install them into this dinette today. So here we go. All right, so we're getting set up for the install. I got a good spot laid out to where I think these cup holders will sit without getting in the way of where the booth dinette is laid out. Like I said, I got these on Amazon. They came in a 3-pack. I'm only going to install 2, but I'm sure my wife will find a spot for the third one. I have a brand new 3 5/8 inch hole saw. I have a used 3 5/8 inch hole saw, but I thought a brand new one will make a cleaner cut in the table. So I bought a brand new one, and I'm going to mark and lay out the marks with painter's tape on the table, again, to protect it a little bit. And so here we go. Remember, folks, measure twice, cut once. So with these hole saws, I like to slow the drill down, put it on the torque setting, so the drill doesn't spin as fast and it's a little bit easier to control. They tend to get away from you sometimes. So just take your time, especially with the initial cut. Make sure it's getting started properly so it doesn't jump around. And you only have a 1/4 inch lip around these to hide any imperfections in your cut. So like I said, take your time. Also, when you use these hole saws, there's little holes in the side where you can look through them and see where your pilot hole in your hole saw is drilling. Some are bigger than others. This is a Klein brand. cup holders where there weren't any cup holders before. And my coffee is sitting on one of them right now. So wife will be happy, kids will be happy, and I'll be happy because we are 7 days away from being on the road again, heading out south for our kids' spring break. And what an exciting time of year. Spring, grass is getting green again, trees are popping, cherry blossoms are out, and time to get outside and enjoy ourselves and doing what we love to do. So, till next time, see you.